Hi dear children, welcome back to our computer class. How are you all? All are good. In the last class we learned how to insert image into your web page using this HTML document. Isn't it? Yes. Do you study that portion? Do you study that syntax? I think so. Today we are going to the next topic, that is adding border to the image. Adding a border to the image makes the image highlighted on the web page. Okay, yes, that image will be highlighted. We can give border to our image. Okay, then for that, what is the syntax? The first step is HTML. Okay, the first tag is HTML, then head, title tag, then give one title to your web page, then close title, then close head tag, then open body tag. Then next is the syntax of image. Our topic is adding border to the image. So we need one image. Okay. So first you type the syntax of adding image or inserting image. The syntax of inserting image is angular bracket open img src equal to in double quotes path of the image or image URL. Okay. Path of the image or image URL that is enclosed within double quotes. Here I given height and width of the image. That is optional. If you want, then do that. Otherwise, you can skip that. Height or width. Okay, height and width are the attributes of image tag. Image tag in രണ്ട് attribute ആണ് height and width. അത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് if you want, then use that. Okay. അങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മാത്രം അത് യൂസ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. അതൊരു ഓപ്ഷണൽ ആണ്. വേണ്ടാന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ആ ഹൈറ്റ് ഓർ വിഡ്ത്ത് കൊടുക്കേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല. ഓക്കെ, ഹിയർ ഐ ഗിവൺ ഹൈറ്റ് ആൻഡ് വിഡ്ത്ത് ഓഫ് ദി പിക്ചർ. ദെൻ border equal to in double quotes value. Okay, my border thick is the value is 6. I given 6. That's all. Okay, so that value is user defined. You can give the value. That value is user defined. User can define that value. Okay, then after that body tag close, then HTML tag close. That's all. Okay, then the first step is HTML head tag, title tag, then give the title, close the title tag, then close head tag, body tag open, then syntax of image, that is syntax is angular bracket open img src equal to then path of the image or image URL that is enclosed within double quotes, then height or width value. Okay, then border equal to 6. Okay, border equal to 6. That value 6 is user defined value. Okay, border equal to 6. That is enclosed within double quotes. Then body tag close, then HTML tag close. Now I am going to run this image. For that, take the location of your documents where you save that. Okay, then the name of my file name is image. Then right click on image, then open with Microsoft Edge. Look at this. Now our image will be displayed here. The height and width of this image is 200. I already given, that's why this image is too small. Then okay, and the border is here, a black border. You can see that around that image. Okay, yes, that is border. My border thick is only 6. Okay, you can give another value. Okay, now I am going to give 10. Then what will happen? You can see that. Okay, now I given 10. Then file, save. My file name is image. Okay, you already saw that. Then take the location, right click on the image, file name, open with the Microsoft Edge. Yes. Now the thick is little bigger, right? Yes, compared to first one. ഓക്കെ, ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇമേജിനെ കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഈ തിക്ക് കുറച്ചുകൂടി വലുതാണ് അല്ലേ? യെസ്. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ബോർഡർ. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ്സ് ഓൾ. How to give the border? First of all, you have to give the syntax of image. Okay, our topic is adding border to the image. ഇമേജിനാണ് ബോർഡർ കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് വി വാണ്ട് വൺ ഇമേജ് അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ ഇമേജ് വരാനുള്ള അല്ലെ ഇമേജ് ഡിസ്പ്ലേ ചെയ്യാനുള്ള സിൻടാക്സ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇൻസേർട്ട് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള സിൻടാക്സ് ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്തു. ആഫ്റ്റർ ദാറ്റ് type the border equal to in double quotes value. That value is user defined. That's all. Got it? Yes. Then what is our next topic? Our next topic is changing the size of the text. Okay, changing the size of the text. In the previous class, that means in the 6th standard, you learned the font tag is used to change the appearance of the text. Okay, the font tag is used to change the appearance of the text. The appearance means which are the appearance of the text document? Font size, font color, or text size, or letter size, or letter color, letter face, letter styles. These all are the appearance of the text. Okay, for that we use which tag? Font tag. Okay, so can you see that this is font tag? Angular bracket open, then font size. I am going to change the size of the text. Then angular bracket open, font size is equal to in double quotes value. This value is user defined. Okay, you can give any value there. Okay, font size is equal to 60, that's in double quotes, angular bracket to close, then type text. Which text you want to appear on the web page, that text you can type here. Here I typed my web page. Okay, yes. After that, font tag close. Which is the closing tag of font? Slash font. The closing tag contain one slash character. That means it is a closing tag. Got it? Yes. So the syntax is angular bracket open, font size is equal to 60. That's in double quotes. Then angular bracket to close. After that, type the text. Then font tag close. Okay, got it. That is the syntax of changing the font size. Don't forget it. How to change the font size? What is the syntax? Angular bracket open, font size is equal to in double quotes value, then angular bracket to close, then type the text here. The text is, that's our text document. Which text you want to appear on the web page, that text you can type there. After that, closing tag of font, that is slash font. Okay, that's all. Okay, now we are going to run this. First of all, you have to save this document. The file name is image, then take the location, then right click on the file name, a list will appear, then click on open with Microsoft Edge. Look at this, my web page. Can you see this? This my web page, its font size is 60. Okay, here the font size is 60. You can change the font size. Now I am going to give 100. Okay, 100. I am going to give 100. What will happen? Okay, 100. Then file name, save, then take the location, then take the file name, right click on the file name, then open with Microsoft Edge. Look at this. Now its size is 100. Okay, yes, that value is user defined. You can give any value, that is user defined value. Got it? Yes. Today it's enough. Everybody should study nicely. Write and study the syntax. Okay, how to give border to the image, then how to change the font size. Okay, you write and study, because each angular bracket and its double quotes, then opening and closing of angular brackets, everything is must. Okay, everything is important. Okay, so everybody should write and study the syntax. Okay, dear children, thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.